5 interesting facts about technology and innovation. Fact number 1. The first computer mouse was invented by Doug Engelbart in 1963. It was made of wood and had only one button. Fact number 2. The first mobile phone call was made on April 3, 1973, by Motorola engineer Martin Cooper. He called a rival engineer at Bell Labs to demonstrate the new technology. Fact number 3. The first website was published in 1991 by British physicist Tim Berners-Lee. It contained information about the World Wide Web project and how to use it. Fact number 4. The first 3D printer was created in 1983 by Chuck Hull. He called it a stereolithography apparatus and used it to create a small plastic cup. Fact number 5. The first computer virus was created in 1986 by two Pakistani brothers, Basit and Amjad Farooq Alvi. They created a virus called Brain that infected floppy disks and displayed a message asking users to contact them to remove it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel Facts Tech.